4.3 million people out of work last month quit their jobs, obviously because they're not happy with what they're getting paid, not happy with what they're doing. So I'm gonna share in this video 3 things that you can be doing right now to turn your wealth game around. Most importantly, before you do the 3 steps, the number 1 thing is you gotta make a decision before you even take a step. What is it you want with wealth? Is it to just get by, simply pay the bills? You want to become a millionaire, a decamillionaire, a hectamillionaire, a billionaire? Which one you want to do? I've done every one of those. And I started with one thing, the dream. What was the dream for me? In the very beginning, it was simply, man, I just want to pay my bills. And that was a mistake because I was thinking too small. So however high you set your goals and your targets is going to determine where you get. So most importantly, just set a number. Is it $1 million, 10 million, 100 million, $1 billion? And then you got to back it up with the next 3 things, okay? Number 1 of those 3 things is you got to go out and earn money, period. Well, you don't really need to earn it. You just need to collect it. You need to get it. When you go around the money game, you got to remember this, okay? There is no shortage of money on planet Earth. There is no shortage of success on planet Earth. There's more money than there is people. There's more money than there are trees. There's more money than there are phones, and there's a lot of phones on this planet. There's more money than there is TV shows. Like, you can't pick anything. And by the way, anytime there's more of something than there is money, they just print more money. Money is printed. You don't need to make it. You need to collect it. You need to collect it. You need to earn it. You need to get it. So when you do your money target, okay, the next thing you're going to connect to is, how do I get this money? And that will always be about the who. How to get money is about people. It is not about some idea. It's not about, I'm gonna create an app, I'm gonna manufacture something. It's not even about, I'm gonna solve a problem, even though you hear that all the time. It's about who can help me solve my how. You understand? Who has my money? Who's got my money? Who's got your money? Who's got your million, 10 million? Who's got your kids' college tuition? Who's got your Christmas gifts? Who's got your Halloween costume, whatever the case, okay? Number 2 thing, you got to figure out how to keep the money once you get it. Now, I'm going to be spending 3 days this weekend in a 3-day wealth building boot camp. If you want to grab that, use the link grantcardone.com/hero, because I'm going to make you a hero for your finances. And I'm going to show you in this 3-day webinar. Not webinar, it's not a webinar. I'm live. I just push it virtually to you. It's not a webinar. It's 3 days. There'll probably be, I don't know, a lot of people on it. It's only $97 at the link. And so we priced it so a lot of people could join us, but charge people so that at least they pay attention. And I found that when people don't pay, they don't pay attention. I don't know if you agree with that or not, but that's what I've seen for 35 years. You don't pay attention. And when you do pay, you pay more attention. And the more you pay, the more you pay attention. All I want you to do is register, put in the $97. I'm going to give it to my foundation, help 9 kids out, 9.7 kids to be exact. And I'm going to spend 3 days with you going over who's got your money. 2, how do I keep it? How do you keep it? You got to figure out the IRS game. If you don't figure out the IRS game, money, wealth creation is not about saving money. It's about playing a great game around the IRS. It's about making investments rather than spending money. It's about knowing what to spend money on so you know how to keep the money that you earned, the money that you collected, okay? The 3rd thing you got to figure out how to do, and this is the Mac Daddy, this is the one, and I'll spend 2 days on this one topic of the 3 days. The 3rd thing is, how do I make investments that multiply my wealth? You cannot make money. You cannot create wealth working. Never happened. Nobody's ever done it in the history of the world. Money, wealth, prosperity, abundance only comes when you make investments. So at this 3-day boot camp, I'm going to be sharing with you, if you're willing to invest the $97, oh, woe is me. If you're willing to invest the $97 in the 3 days, the 3 days is more costly than anything. In 3 days, I'll share with you more than they taught me in 4 years in business school at the college I went to. If you went to Harvard, Yale, or MIT, I guarantee you in 3 days, I'll teach you more about money than you learned when you went to college. It cost you $97 in 3 days. I hope you take advantage of this. I'm going to show you how to get it, unlimited amounts of it. I'm going to show you how to keep it, okay? And I'm gonna show you how to multiply it, okay? Because 1 times 10 is 10. 1 plus 10 is 11. You know what I'm saying? Okay, but 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 100 is 1,000. 1,000 times 10, this is right out of the 10x rule. 1,000 times 10 is 10,000. 10,000 times 10 is 100,000. 100,000 times 10 is a million. A million times 10 is 10 million. 10 times 10 is 10 million. You understand? 100 million. 100 million times 10. If I can make 100 million 10 times, that makes me a billy killer. I want to help make you reach and achieve whatever goals, whatever dreams, be the bull, the hero of your family. Click the link below, grab it. It's 3 days with me, 97 bucks. Dude, the thing is crazy. If you don't like it at the end, I'll give you $97 back, okay? 1, make money, earn money, keep money, get money. 2, keep money, keep money. 3, how do you multiply it? I'll show you all 3 this weekend.